Sending Your GRE Scores, a step-by-step guide. Hello, English language learners and GRE aspirants. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial step after taking the GRE, sending scores to schools. This process might sound simple, but it's essential to get it right. Let's jump right in. The GRE, or Graduate Record Examination, is a standardized test that many graduate schools require as part of their application process. Once you've taken the test, 1. The schools you're applying to need to see your scores to evaluate your readiness for graduate-level study. 2. Sending scores ensures that schools receive the most accurate and recent representation of your abilities. Before sending scores, you need to pick which institutions will receive them. Here are some tips. 1. Research your schools. Understand the average GRE scores of accepted applicants for your desired programs. 2. Prioritize. If you're applying to multiple schools, consider sending scores to your top choices first. 3. Remember your goals. Always align your school choices with your career and academic aspirations. After deciding on the institutions, 1. Log into your ETS account. This is the platform where you took the GRE. 2. Navigate to the Send Scores option. 3. Select the institutions. Here, you'll either enter the specific school codes or search by name. 4. Confirm and pay any applicable fees. Some scores might be sent for free, but additional sends might incur costs. 5. Keep records. Always note down which schools you've sent scores to and the date of dispatch. 1. Timing. It's essential to send your scores well in advance of application deadlines to ensure they're received on time. 2. Score Select option. GRE offers an option called Score Select. This means you can choose which set of scores you want to send if you've taken the test multiple times. 3. Re-evaluation. If you're unsatisfied with your scores, consider retaking the GRE before sending them out. That's all about sending your GRE scores to schools. Remember, it's not just about taking the test. It's about making sure your hard work reaches the right places. We hope this video sheds light on the process. Best of luck with your graduate school applications, and always keep learning.